Hello guys, welcome to the Next Level Interior YouTube channel. If you enjoy watching home interior ideas that are easy to understand and full of simple inspiration for modern living, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos. We share new and creative ideas every week to help you make your home look beautiful, peaceful and comfortable. Today's video is all about kitchen decoration and how you can make both small and large kitchen look stylish, clean and useful. The kitchen is one of the most important part of every home. It is not just a place where we cook food. It is a place filled with energy, warmth and family moment. A beautiful kitchen brings happiness to the whole house. It gives you the motivation to cook, to keep everything clean and to enjoy the time you spend here. So let's begin our journey toward creating a kitchen that feels modern, peaceful and full of good vibes. Before you start decorating or changing your kitchen, it is important to understand the layout. The shape and size of your kitchen decide what design will fit best. There are 5 common kitchen layouts such as straight, L-shaped and U-shaped kitchen. If your kitchen is small and narrow, then a straight kitchen design works well very. You can have all the storage and cooking area along a single wall which save space and keep everything in one line. It makes the kitchen look open and simple. If your kitchen space is a bit larger, then an L-shaped kitchen can be a great option. It gives you 2 connected sides to work with. One side can be used for cooking and the other for storage or washing. This layout is very comfortable and creates a smooth flow while working. You can move easily between the sink, the stove and the refrigerator, which often called the work triangle or a kitchen. For bigger homes, a U-shaped kitchen looks elegant and gives you plenty of workspace. It surrounds you from their side, which means you get a lot of storage and counter area. It's perfect for families where more than one person cook or help in the kitchen. You can even add a small island or breakfast table in the middle for a modern and luxurious touch. Once you decide the layout, let's move to one of the most important part, storage. Good storage keep your kitchen clean, organized and stress-free. Every kitchen needs proper storage to keep jars, plates, utensils and all other items in the right place. You can add wall-mounted cabinets, drawers and open shelves depending on your space and budget. If you don't want to spend too much, you can go for simple wooden cabinet with doors. They are durable, look warm and can be easily customized. Always try to keep the item you use daily like spices, oil, salt and tea in the lower cabinet or drawer so they are easy to reach. The thing that you use less often like special utensils or glass bowls can be kept in upper shelves. This helps in maintaining a smooth workflow in your kitchen. Also remember not to overload your countertop. A clean counter makes your kitchen look bigger, brighter and more peaceful. You can keep one fruit basket, a water bottle, maybe a small plant and only the thing you use daily for cooking. Keeping your counter clean gives a sense of space and calmness every time you enter the kitchen. Now, let's talk about lighting. Because light play a very big role in how your kitchen feels. If your kitchen has a window, let the sunlight enter freely. Natural light not only make the kitchen bright and fresh but also add positive energy. During the day, open your curtain and let the light fill your cooking space. At night, use soft and warm light to create a cozy feeling. You can install small under shelf light or LED strip to highlight the countertop. It not only look beautiful but also help you while cutting, cooking and cleaning. A mix of white and warm yellow light give a balanced look, bright enough for warm but soft enough to feel comfortable. For those who like bold stylish, black and white is also a classic choice, but it Shoot bigger kitchen more because dark color can make small kitchen look smaller. You can also try soft pastel theme. They are trending and bring a calm modern feel. When it comes to the wall and tiles, always choose materials that are easy to clean. The area behind the stove and sink get directly the most, so it's good to use glossy tiles that you can wipe easily. You can choose plain tiles or one with minimal design like small flower, marble textures or thin line patterns. The rest of the wall can be painted with soft shadows that match your overall theme. Now, let's talk about the flooring. The kitchen floor should be safe, non-slippery and easy to clean. Ceramic tiles, marbles or vinyl flooring are good option. If your floor becomes slippery when wet, you can use small anti-slip mats near the sink or cooking area for safety. Try to keep the floor clean and dirt dry because it not only look nice but also prevent accident. You can also add some small decoration to make the kitchen feel more personal and lively. For example, place a small indoor plant near the window or keep a pretty clock on the wall. A family photo frame, a little vase with flower or some creativity wall art can make the space feel homely. But remember, don't overload it. Too many decoration can make the kitchen look messy. Keep it simple, neat and meaningful. Now come another very important element, ventilation. Produced smoke, oil and steam, and if that stay inside, it make the wall dark and the kitchen smell bad. Also make sure you have a chimney or an exhaust fan installed. A chimney pull out smoke and smell, keeping your kitchen air clean and fresh. It also helps in maintaining the color of your wall and cabinet for a larger time. Also plan a small space for your dustbin. Try to keep it hidden under the sink or inside a cabinet. This keep your kitchen looking neat and prevent wet smell from spreading. If you possible, use two dustbin. One for dry waste and one for wet waste. This helps is recycling and keeping your home eco-friendly. If your kitchen has enough space, you can create a small breakfast corner. A round table with two chairs is a cozy corner, make a lovely spot to enjoy your morning tea or coffee. You can even use it for small meals or for chatting while cooking. Add a cute tablecloth, a vase with fresh flower or a small light above it to make it feel special. Let's not forget about maintenance and cleanliness, which are the real secret behind a beautiful kitchen. After cooking, always wipe the counter and clean the stove. Put everything back in its place. Jar, phones, plates and LEDs should not stay scattered. Keeping your kitchen organized every day save you time and keep it looking lovely. A clean kitchen not only look good but also keep your family healthy. Food is prepared here, so hygiene should always come first. Use natural cleaners like vinegar and lemon to remove stains and bad smells. Once a week, check your cabinet and throw always expired or unused items. Small habits like this make a big difference in keeping your kitchen fresh and beautiful. If you want to add a little modern touch, you can try modular kitchen fittings. They come with ready-made drawers, soft close cabinet, and smart corner storage. They look stylish and make your work easier. You can even choose color and finishes according to your home theme. And if you are decorating on a low budget, don't worry. Even small changes like new cabinet handles, fresh wall paint, or a few new tiles behind the stove can completely refresh your kitchen's look. Add a nice circle to your window, a matching rug on the floor, and some stylish containers for your jars, and your kitchen will instantly look new and well designed. Finally, remember that your kitchen reflects your lifestyle. Keep it style, organized and full of warmth. Cooking becomes more enjoyable when your surroundings are clean and calm. Every time you walk into your kitchen, it should make you feel happy and peaceful. So friends, this was today's video on how to make your kitchen look beautiful, clean and useful. I hope enjoy watching and got some help idea for your own kitchen. If you like this idea and want more such simple, practical and stylish interior design tips, then please subscribe to the Next Level Interior YouTube channel. Also like this video and share it with your friends and family who are planning to redecorate or renovate their kitchen. You one share can inspire someone to create their dream kitchen. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in the next one with the home decor idea, design inspiration and creativity tips to make your home truly yours. Until then, take care, stay happy and keep decorating with love.